Hey all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. This is a 5-minute practice exercise, and today we are focusing on call and response melodies. So on my channel, we usually play a lot of chords. Today we're going to take a look at some very simple melodies together using only 3 notes. Those 3 notes are C, D, and E. Ukulele Wine Time. Our first note is C, playing your open string. And that's the 2nd string down from your face. Oops, I left my tuner on. There we go. C. Our next note is the 2nd fret of your C string. That's D. And then our next note is E, and you can play your open E string. So our 3 notes, or our zone, is C, D, E. And I'm just doing a simple downstroke with my thumb. And I'm switching between those 2 strings down here. So those are the middle 2 strings. I've got C, D, and E. Or we could also number them. We're in the key of C. These are the first 3 notes of the scale. So we could say 1, 2, 3. And I do invite you to sing along with me. It's really good to connect your musical brain to your instrument. C, D, E, we could sing the notes, the numbers, or we could sing solfege, do, re, mi. Okay, that's our prep. You're ready to go. I'm going to give you a melody and I want you to play it back to me. Here we go. Start simple. All right, here's number 1. 1, 2, 3. Listen. All right, I'll play that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 1, or C, D, E, C. All right, here's number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was C, E, E, C, all open strings. All right, here is your next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was C, E, D, E, or 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay, I've got one more for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll play that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that might sound familiar. And we are playing E, D, C, D, E, 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 or 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, or Mary had a little lamb. Okay, See if you can come up with some more melodies on your own, just using those 3 notes, C, D, and E. Just play around with that. That's your zone. And we're going to explore these melodies using just these 3 notes in an upcoming 5-minute practice video. Thanks for taking time out of your day to practice some ukulele with me, and I'll see you soon. Cheers!